Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Fastag expiry and the issuing bank. This matters because renewal rules vary. Once done, gather vehicle RC, registered mobile, and a government ID so you can authenticate quickly. Make sure you have a payment method ready, card, UP, or net banking, because the process moves faster when you can pay. Now log into the issuer app or portal. If you don't have credentials, use the Forgot ID flow to reclaim access and proceed to the renewal option. You now follow the issuer's renewal flow. Choose Renew or Reissue and verify the Fastag number shown on screen. Carefully upload a clear RC scan and your ID. This ensures the tag stays linked to the right vehicle and avoids rejection. After confirming details, complete the payment and retain the transaction ID. This is your proof if anything goes wrong. If the system asks for courier or installation preference, choose one that suits your schedule and make note of the pickup or delivery window. You finish by tracking the shipment or technician visit through the app. Most issuers provide a tracking ID and ETA. Once the sticker arrives or is reinstalled, test it at the next toll plaza or check balance/top-up to confirm functionality, because early detection prevents fines. If the tag isn't working or documents were rejected, escalate with the transaction ID and screenshots. Ask for reissue or refund, and request a supervisor if initial support doesn't resolve the issue promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.